Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of vegetable puffs and egg puffs. Let's take 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is going to be 16 tablespoons or 2 sticks of butter, and then add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Make it into a nice pasty texture and then apply it on a parchment paper. Make it into a nice rectangle or a square, and then close on both the sides and fold on the other two sides. Wrap it well and refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take in quarter cup of butter, that's going to be like 4 tablespoons or half a stick of butter. Add it into the same bowl. Add in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. And then add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then goes in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is a must. Next goes in 3/4 cups of cold water. First I'm going to add only half a cup of water and break all the butter and mix it with the water and the maida. So now it has mixed well. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, so in total it makes about 3/4 cups of water. Knead the dough. Close with a plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now after refrigeration. Both the butter and the dough is ready. Sprinkle some all-purpose flour on the countertop and roll the dough into a sheet. Now the sheet is ready, and place the butter in the center of the sheet and fold it on both the sides and also on the edges. Remember, the butter should be very cold. And remember, the butter should be nice and cold right away from the refrigerator. And roll the dough and the butter sheet into a nice one-layer sheet and fold on both the sides. Cover it with the food wrap and freeze it for 15 minutes, and this is going to be the first freeze. So the first 15-minute freeze is done. Let's open it, sprinkle some all-purpose flour, roll it again into a sheet. Once you make a rectangle sheet, turn it over, fold on both the sides, and again wrap it with the food wrap and freeze it for second 15 minutes. And now the second freeze is done. Let's open the wrap, sprinkle some all-purpose flour and again roll it into a sheet. Once you roll it out into a rectangle sheet, fold on both the sides, close it with a plastic wrap, and again you're going to freeze it for next 15 minutes, which is a third freeze. Meanwhile, let's make the vegetable stuffing. For that, heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 tablespoons of onion. Make it into golden brown color and then add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic. Saute it for a minute. Add in 2 tablespoons of green peas and saute for a minute. Add in 3 tablespoons of orange bell pepper or capsicum, half a cup of cauliflower. Saute it for a minute. You can also substitute with any other vegetables you have. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoons of coriander powder, and some salt for your taste. Saute it well. Cook it for about 5 minutes in low flame by closing the lid. It's been 5 minutes now. The vegetables have cooked well, and then add in half a cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix it well and add some coriander leaves, and the vegetable stuffing is ready. And then let's make egg stuffing masala. For that, heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then add in 1 tablespoon of onion. Saute it for a minute until it turns golden brown, and then add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic which I've crushed. Saute it for a minute. Add in half a tomato, which is about 3 tablespoons. Saute it well. Add in some salt for your taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, a pinch of turmeric powder. Saute it well. Add some water and let it cook for about 5 minutes in low flame. I'm just making it for only 2 egg puffs, so I'm making only small quantity. Add in half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add in some coriander leaf, mix it well, and the egg stuffing masala is ready. The third and the last freeze has been done. Open the wrap, sprinkle some all-purpose flour, roll the sheet into a nice rectangle sheet which is going to be like half an inch thickness. Meanwhile, let's preheat the oven for 430 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius. So after rolling it into a nice rectangle sheet which is half inch thickness, cut into two halves, you can see how the layers is formed. And for the storage, cut into small rectangle sheets, place a parchment paper in between and keep it in a Ziploc or an airtight container in the freezer for up to a year. Take a small sheet, roll it into 1/4 inch thickness, add some vegetable stuffing on one side, apply milk on all the edges so that we're going to seal it tight. And here the vegetable puff is ready to go in the oven. And for the egg puff, take a square sheet, roll it into 1/4 inch thickness, add the egg stuffing masala and then the egg. Seal it on all the four sides. Take a square sheet to make triangle veg puff. All the puffs are ready to go into the oven, but before that, brush the top with little bit milk. Bake it for about 430 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius for about 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now and you can know it is done by looking at the bottom of the puffs, which is going to be like brown color. And it looks so crispy and flaky. Lots of layers is formed. It's because of the number of folds and rolls we have done. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.